Fuck's going on over here? Fuck's going on over here, guys? What'd I miss? Who's out here? Hey yo, hey yo, is anyone around? Who's out here? I'm kind of annoyed because before I had to take my son to drums, and before that happened, I saw an opportunity to take a trade, and I didn't move quick enough, and it both ways, up and down, because I was noticing a pattern. I'll show you guys in a second. I just gotta clean up these OnlyFans tabs. You know what I mean? It's my my other gig. So, and I'm gonna turn my screen sharing on. So, like right before I left, like right before 7, I would say, we just kept doing this. You see these candles? Red, green, red deeper, green, red lower, green. And right here, I missed this pop and I missed this drop. I was literally fucking staring at it. And it just happened too fucking quick. This right here. This, and then this. And then even here, I was like, this looks like it's going to curl up because we're like in this fucking range. We're in like I don't know, like a 20-point range right now. Anyway, who the fuck is out here? Who's out here? What do we got here? Doom Lord, Tig Daddy, Micah, AS, DBT, Kellyanne. Kellyanne, you starting trouble in the Discord? I saw you say, oh shit, Jay's here. You start trouble in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets? Dag's here. Andy, Coach HID in the place to be. Dad Bob with a small rod. Neo, Tyler, K. Suleiman, Clinvale, Micah, Tyler, TD, what up? She's here. She's just hanging out. I saw her up there. She's here. I don't know if she's still here. I think she's still here. And she's fucking around in the Discord. She's fucking around in there. Just my style. See, she's here. I think you guys were talking about that whole fucking SDH situation. See, like, fucking brilliant. Brilliant. You guys get caught up so much in the drama, and all I think about, I'm looking from the outside in, like, look at all the free publicity she's getting. And Patrick, too. It's fucking brilliant. It's brilliant. I'd be milking the fuck out of that shit. Thanks, Jay. What up, Alfred? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. And listen, I have nothing, I don't have any ill will. I don't know anything about her other than a couple of things that kind of were glaringly obvious about which way she leans. She definitely was yelling at people for not wearing masks during COVID. I could just tell you that much. uh, you know, and I don't know what happened when they were there, but man, the amount of publicity she's getting. If I were her, I would have started out like she has a Twitter account. I don't think she has a channel. I would fucking start a channel right now and fucking try to capitalize on all this attention she has right now. That's the fucking marketer in me. And like Patrick taking advantage of it too, because that's all people are talking about in my Discord, and I'm sure a bunch of other people's Discords, every Discord, on Twitter, in this little world, this little bubble called the Prop Firm Streets. And I know he has people like guests over there, but he was probably streaming today just to capitalize on all the attention this shit is getting. Maybe. Bowser, what up? Vladimir. What up, Neil? I'm just looking at it from a marketing perspective. The marketer in me, that's all I think about is shit like that. I look at this, I watch all you guys fucking talk about it. You still talking about it. This shit's been going on for 3 days now. Yeah, he's fucking brilliant, Rick. What up, Josh? Obviously, Tyson, what's good? Kevin B. yeah, she crashed out. Rick. Yeah, I'm pretty good, but I don't like I'm sure once I get to when my channel has 400,000 plus subscribers, you know, once I get there. But like, he's good at just stirring up. He's like a professional shit stirrer. And he's just good at marketing. He's great at marketing, obviously. We're talking about him right now, and we're talking about her. He did her a huge favor by having her come on the show. And part of me, like the conspiracy theorist in me, makes me feel like this was all orchestrated. Just a very small part of me. The other part of me, the rest of me, is like, she doesn't see this for what it really is, and she's fucking herself because of that. She's looking at this whole thing completely fucking wrong. It's a huge opportunity. And what is she doing? What the fuck is she doing? Writing fucking 5,000 word essays on Twitter saying, I still have whiplash. Shut the fuck up. Say thank you. Thank you, Patrick. And I know Patrick caught a whiff of let's just put it this way. He rocks his fucking little boat, his yacht or whatever he has, his boat. I don't want to say it's a little boat. He's got a crazy fisher boat. He's rocking that fucking Trump 2024 flag on that shit. And she doesn't rock that. And he caught a little whiff of that shit early on. And he probably fucking was digging into her on purpose because of that. Because he knew she wasn't one of him. She wasn't one of us. You know what I mean? And true to form, she couldn't fucking handle it. Yeah, Mark's A for BDH. Exactly. What up, Isaac? Fallacy. Tim Morgan. He was a big fan. So was I. I think anybody growing up in that age bracket, that age range, fucking loved the WWF, not the fucking WWE. The WWE was pretty good, but I'm talking Macho Man, Randy Savage type shit. Ultimate Warrior. Both versions of the Ultimate Warrior. Hulk Hogan. That shit. When you had the fucking WCW and the NWO, and Hulk Hogan was a bad guy in the WCW. All that shit. Bret the Hitman Hart. Bro. Stone Cold. Yeah, Stone Cold was good, but man, I was already like kind of at it. I phased out the wrestling shit. Benny. Brother. We used the fucking handshake though. Macho Man Hulk Hogan, like slow motion handshake. Put it right here, brother. And like, we use that shit in the Discord, the GIF. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's fucking brilliant. He took a whiff, Daddy Fafo. He took a whiff of the vajayjay. Oh my god. You guys, stop it. She might find out. She might come in here. We don't want her coming in here. Markel, what up? We don't want her coming in here. Hot shot, what's good? Oh, yeah, bro. Fucking crazy, man. Yo. The whiff of the leggings on the Doom Lord. You guys are fucked up. There's women on the stream. We got Kellyanne and Nao over here. I don't know who else is lurking. Yeah, probably DBT. We're probably gonna buy some dips. Look, we got a higher low here, and we're gonna guess our way in and guess our way out. But look, the same thing keeps happening. I don't know. I don't like. I feel like the bigger time frames tell a better story. Not really. It just looks like ass. We're looking like ass right now. That's what I'm seeing. Let me draw some new happy Fibonacci's. We're still in, but we fell out. We rejected off the fucking 707 here. Actually, no, we did. Yeah, yeah. We fell out of the golden shower pocket again. We went in, fell out, came back in, fell out. This fucking golden shower pocket is loose as fuck. Fucking very loose hot pocket. Oh, man. Yo, what up, Cube? Tick Daddy. Yo, you and me both. But there's only one that I love. Just one. Clinvale, are you? I had no idea. Well, that's cool. I had no idea. We got some very cool ladies that hang out with us. I can tell you that much. You have to be cool to be able to hang out with the degen fam. You have to be cool to hang out with a bunch of fucking prop firm degenerates, especially if you are one. All right, so what the fuck are we going to do here? What's gold doing? Let me draw a happy Fibonacci over here. I'm trying to last night I was trading gold and I got fucked so fucking bad by gold. And then it ended up fucking doing what I thought was going to happen after the fact, after it was too late. So obviously I ended up being way too heavy, but here we are. We got the happy Fibonacci here, high, the low, the high. We're in the golden shower pocket. We got the 618 here. Does it come down to the 786? Does it bounce off the 618? Does it come to the 707? I don't fucking know. Gold is crazy. That's the hourly chart. Here's the 4-hour. It doesn't look great. Doesn't look great. We're still working, even though we bounced pretty hard today, we're still working our way down from the all-time high that we kept on fucking hitting. All right, so watch this. I feel like I have a fucking dog hair or a pubic hair on my mouth. I can tell you one thing. It wouldn't be from my wife. Oh! All right. Here we go. The trend is your friend, right? The trend is your friend. Let me fix this a little bit. There we go. The trend is your friend, guys. Here it is on the 4-hour. Oh, Jay Jackson. Woo! Oh, my God. When am I having a competition for the ladies for 25K? Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, hot shot. It's like fucking. It looked like nothing was going to happen yesterday, and it was moving a lot last night. I did most of my trading during the overnight last night. Here's what we got going on. So tonight, we got core PCE. Oh, 10-year Italian bond auction tomorrow, guys. Be ready for that. That's going to fucking just put on your seatbelts. Fasten those seatbelts. But all seriousness, we got core PCE, Canadian GDP. I don't really think this is going to fucking do anything. They're out there fucking killing ostriches. They're killing the ostriches over in Canada. Canada's a fucking disaster right now. They call it. It's more like communida. They fucking went full fucking commie over there. And we got some, University of Michigan, consumer sentiment. Oh, we got this fucking jerk off from the FOMC, Bowman speaking. Does he move the fucking needle at all? I put these yellow folders back on like I give a fuck about them. There we go. That's all that matters. There we go. Fuck those yellow folders. Rick. They could keep it, Rick. They could keep those accounts. TJP, what up? Yeah, I wasn't around, DBT. I wasn't around. I bet he did. He actually knows a thing or two about trading. I know a thing or two about guessing. But I got these trade day accounts that are looking fucking fantastic. These are funded accounts. I got them up $949 to make them holla through 1 day of trading. So I'm just chilling with those. I kind of would like to do something with these today. But now this reminds me, you know what this reminds me of? Like the time it's Thursday night. It's about 8 o'clock my time. So fucking man, when I would do the whip streams, this is what would happen. I would get on the whip stream and literally nothing would happen. And then as soon as I would get off, like I'm going to have to leave to go get my son. Oh, it's Cove calling me. I got to let him know I'm streaming. I'm streaming like Willie Beeman. Cashol, what up? That's my ringtone. You like that shit? It's a hybrid of pieces from the Joker movie. The one with the original one with Joaquin Phoenix. It's got two different parts of him laughing, two different Joker laughs. It's got that one, and that's the scene in the movie when they're making fun of him at the clown headquarters, and he's laughing back to his locker. And then as soon as he's out of the room, he stops laughing and he puts on his fucking straight, miserable face again. That's the first laugh. And then the other laugh is the laugh when he's about to right before he fucking sticks the pen in his fellow clown's fucking throat in his apartment. That one. Bob, for now. Rick, we've been crossing streams since like 2009, bro. Having sword fights and shit. Manuel, what up? Oh, man, you guys are fucking funny. Yo, Neil, I bought the course. Did I do it right? Somebody, where's Tory Trade's husband? Where's Tory Trade's husband? Did I draw? Where is it? I did it on gold. Did I draw this right, guy? Hey, somebody asked Tory Trade's tan line if I drew this right. I spent $5,000 on the course to draw this trend line. We good? Tony, what's up? Brandon C. You know what I bought on Canal Street? I bought a subwoofer amplifier on Canal Street back in the 90s because I couldn't find it anywhere else, and I knew they would have it. And the funny thing about it, I paid full price for it. The shit was fucking busted. But we ended up getting the right parts to fix it, and it worked. It was an Orion. Any of you old heads remember Orion amps and subwoofers? It was an Orion XTR amp. Which one was it? The 450. I needed it for my fucking my door speakers and my deck speakers. I had the whole fucking system was Orion XTR, Orion Extreme. I had the XTR subwoofers. We built the box ourselves. I had the fucking the 5S's in the front doors with the separate tweeters and the 6S's in the back with the tweeters and two 12-inch subwoofers. Rick, what's up, Marco? Joker, Cody, Jeffrey. How much is trade day? Yo, crossing the stream since Nam. That's right, Neil. So trade day, you could be all in for as little as 69 bucks. 50Ks or $69 to make them holla. 50K intraday. And then you have 50K end of day, which are they're $115.50. No activation fee. Day one payouts potentially, daily payouts potentially. Obviously, it's on you to make that happen, but for as little as 69 bucks. That's the 50K intraday. That's what I have, the intradays. 30% off, no activation fee with the best code ZERODAYJAY. No problem, Jeffrey. Eric Graham, Maximus, Keith. Nah, I'm not. I wish I was. Maybe when we got to Tory Trade's trend line right here, that would have been a good spot to go short, at least to take a shot. Now there's no, like here, I don't know. I'd wait for it to fucking maybe potentially come back up. Or retest this previous day's low right here. Yesterday's low would be a good spot for a bounce. If it came all the way down there, though, holy fuck. That's like 130 ticks. That's gold. Let's look at the NQ. The NQ's literally been doing the same fucking thing, except for this time. But look what it did. It rejected off of, we rejected off of the VWAP, and we just missed, we almost just tipped the bottom orb. And then we dropped fucking, we're only in like a 20-point range right now. So it's tough to fucking trade this shit. Are we going to go lower here? That's the $1 million question. The fucking, you guys hear the Discord popping off? This fucking Discord doesn't stop. This Discord doesn't stop. You guys should hang out. If you guys aren't in there yet, you should hang out in there. It's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Launchpad Scotty. Where the landscapers? They finally fucking left. Those motherfuckers. Oh my God. Coho, what up? Yeah, probably. Rick, if you're in the Discord, you could get it for free, bro. The Inner Circle Trendline Strategy Manual. Yo, Sean, I haven't seen you in forever, bro. I thought you went and fucking left me for other streamers. Unbelievable. I was about to fucking put you on a fucking milk carton. Shit. So, yeah, if anybody's not hanging out in the Discord where the degen fam hangs out, the DCA gang, the degen treehouse, there's the link. It's free to join for now. You want to pay me? It's so good. I've been working like crazy. Got you, bro. All good, man. You know I'm fucking with you. What is the max funded accounts for trade day? You could go up as high as 150K in terms of size. You could get a 50K, a 100K, or a 150K. See, the NQ is just fucking doing the same shit. It looks like ass. It looks like total ass. See now, that's interesting. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Bam. You see this wick right here? This wick, this wick, this wick, these wicks. That's on the 15. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Wick, 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 It's crazy. I don't know if it's going to keep going down, though. It might come down here where these candles are going wah to each other. But it looks like shit. It looks like absolute dog shit. What's the high of day today? The top orb is the high. So we hit the top orb and then fucking have been going down ever since. 665. We're only down 75 points since the market from the high since the market opened. It's not that much. It's crazy. I draw these lines when I see shit like this, and then like weeks later or days later, shit like this happens. Look, we bounced right off of this fucking line. This was support here. This was resistance today. We fucking dumped so hard after that shit. How far down did we dump from that? 696 to fucking 454. What is that? 240 points from here. Yeah, Rick. You want Dread J on the corner? Dreaded J on the cover of the cover of my manual. We did get hailed, didn't we? So, yo, the only 3-door Lambo in the world survived because it was in the garage. It fucking dumped before. Oh, I appreciate it, Eric. I appreciate it. Bogdanov said, dump it. Is that the fucking guy that's in the GIF where he's like, he sold, pump it, or he bought, dump it? That's what the guy's name is? You guys know who Ty Lopez is? Ty Lopez is in some fucking trouble. You know, the Here in My Garage guy. Tony Gold. Yeah, I got the only 3-roll fucking Lambo in the world. You taking this down to the 618? This shit is moving so fucking slow. I want to take a trade too. Well, here's the low, here's the high. We're not even close. But this could be support right here. This is an interesting spot. Does it break down and not bounce? This is the first time it's gone much. Not really. It's still doing the same shit. Here's what we're going to do. Not that. Is this going to be the time when it finally fucking breaks down and dumps? Can I get filled? Can you fill me? Is this going to be the time it finally fucking goes down and doesn't fucking come back up? Oh, I tried. It's only up 4 points from where I wanted to get in. 5 points, 4 points. Damn. Just missed it. No, he's never left. He never left, but he's in trouble with some fucking SEC shit. He got charged, him and his partner. So he's always like sold information products and coaching and all that shit. But then he started fucking buying fucking dead brands like Dress Barn, Pier 1 Imports, Radio Shack, and was going to like, the promise was they were going to revitalize them and make them an e-commerce powerhouse. So that was like the thing he's been doing. He's been like getting investors for it and all this shit, whatever. Turns out he's being charged with running a fucking Ponzi. I think that's the deal. Uh-oh. This might not work. This might backfire on me. Probably just didn't go the way he thought it was. So they just keep borrowing money from people to pay, borrowing money from Peter to pay Paul. And they got in trouble. Big time. You just look it up. It was on fucking CBS. CBSnews.com. Hold on, let me find this shit. Yeah, see? The one fucking time I finally decide to fucking go long when it's been doing this the whole time, it goes down. Owner of Radio Shack, watch this. I'll post it in the Discord. This fucking guy, look. Where's the Discord? This guy. Look. Accused of running a $112 million Ponzi scheme. Ty Lopez. Apparently, people don't really have bad. Like I've known. I don't know him personally, but I've known him for years. Like because of all his ads and shit, I've been following him. He doesn't seem like that much of a scumbag. He's fucking really good at basketball too. Like really fucking good at basketball. Like freakishly good at basketball. This is the guy that a lot of people said is a total fucking scumbag. This guy, his partner, total fucking jerk off. The SEC accused, they're in fucking trouble. They also bought Models. I remember all these brands. Crazy, bro. Whoops. So anyway, let's see what's going on with this fucking trade. Oh, I was green for a second. Yeah, I saw that. I know. I wanted to go long here and didn't. And then I was going to go short here and it fucking dropped so quick. And then I had to take my son to drums. And I missed this. I saw this getting ready to go up. I'm like, I blinked my fucking eyes and it happened. So now, and it was after every time it made a new low. Like this low right here, it's about the same distance from, like this low is the same. But whatever pattern was happening here with this fucking shit might not be the case, especially after this VWAP, the VWAP rejection. So, which fucking blows, but at least they're just evals. The fucked up part about these evals right here, D's, was I was literally one tick away from passing them yesterday. One fucking tick. Watch this. No fucking joke. No joke. No lie. After hitting the daily loss limit on the first day. Look, this is the trade. This was on fucking Tuesday. Look at that. One fucking tick. The fucked up part is I did the math afterwards. If I would have had it one or two ticks lower, it would have hit it and I would have been good. I would have been passed. And I wasn't around when this happened. I came back and it was here. When I came back, I was not in the house. I just let that shit ride. And of course, I got stopped out. I mean, I finished the day green and the accounts were at like 50,700. And then yesterday, last night, I was up over 900 bucks. I think I was up to like 15,000, not 1,500. I was up about overall about 1,600 on the account, 1,700. And I was going to make the final push to fucking get to fucking passing. And I ended up giving it all back and hit the daily loss limit. So it's just been, I'm just like, I couldn't get that one more fucking tick when I was in that other trade, that banger of a trade. Couldn't give me one more fucking tick. Yeah, I know. I'm watching it. I'm watching it, Keith. I've gotten a lot of payouts from my fund of futures. Eric Graham. Zadia. Neither. It might do a morning dump like us men, like my pre-game dump, my pre-baseball game dump has to happen. Has to happen. AS. Yeah. Look at this shit go. Get the fuck up there. For funsies, huh? So we're in around the same. I'm in at 85.7. Oh, you fuck. I'm in at 85.75. I had 4 whole fucking points. Is that it? At least come up to here. At least come up to this cuck zone right here. Come here. You think it'll come up this far? No. Was that it? That's all I get? Please come back around here and then go back up. That'd be cool. Here, I'm just going to put a stop there. I'm not letting – I don't want to hit the daily loss. I don't want to blow this shit in one fucking trade. Patrick H. Yeah, it's awful, bro. Great job, man. Great job. Who do I use for a copier? I just use like whatever firm I'm in. I don't use I can't use QuantView. I can't use Rhythmic. You know, NinjaTrader. I can't use any of that shit. The only ones I could use are the paid ones because I'm on a Mac. I'm on a MacBook Pro. I have thought about TradeSyncer. I have thought about that one. I don't even know if I could use Replicanto. I don't think so. So I'll just like trade within. So like this is my MyFunded Futures account, right? This is my Tradeday MyFunded Futures instance. So I have multiple accounts. I just put them together. I group them together within Tradeday. Egomaniac Trading Concepts is the name of this group. That's making fun of someone that was said I had a big ego for telling him I'm not going to take the trade he's suggesting. Got all butthurt. Got all fucking butthurt. So I get material from people like that from time to time, actually very often, and I just use it in my fucking trading because it's funny. And then I got like what is this one called? Future blown PAs, because that's how my month's been going. But like with Apex, like I got a couple of groups together. I got to activate some funded accounts too. These trade days I'm trading. Where are they? These trade days I'm trading together in a group called Try Not to Suck. I've had other groups called Thanks Jay, Dip by Clan Ain't Nothing to Fuck With. You know, we have fun with it. Trade Copia, that's the one. Yeah, I could use that on a Mac. Okay, good to know. It rejects your orders when you do that? Keith, are you doing it right? You got to make sure. So it's on Tradeday. I don't know. Are you talking about Tradeday? You might be just missing one key element of copy trading on Tradeday. First of all, you can only do it within the same prop firm. You can only do it like, this is MyFunded Futures. I can only copy trade MyFunded Futures accounts. But when you set it up, you got to make sure you have all the groups in there, right? Hold on. So look, you create the group, right? You press the plus sign here, give the group a name, hit save, and then you drag the accounts you want to copy trade in there. I have the weight distributed 1-to-1 across all of them, so they trade the same. And then you hit save, the group gets saved, and then when you want to trade it, you have to make sure you're in one of the accounts that's in the group, right? So look, I have 116 selected, and then you have to hit the check. You have to click on this to check, to make sure it has the blue check mark. You see that blue check mark? This has to be checked off. And then you got to make sure you're using the right amount. Like it's got to be equally distributed. So if you have if you want to trade one mini per account, you got to put the order in for 4. You know what I'm saying? And it'll place the order. See, I'm in with 3 in each account, so I do 12. So my sell here is 3. That just might be the thing you're missing. Quickie trading. You like that, right, degen? Trade Copia. I want to look into that. Oh, come on. Keep fucking going. Keep going up. It's probably going to be the only trade I take until I have to leave. I got to leave at like, I got to leave at, I got to be off of this and getting in the only third row Lambo in the world. I got to be in that shit. I got to be in the fucking truck at 850. So I could go get his ass. Yeah, there it is. You know why? Because other platforms do like the leader and the follower. So if you have the groups, set up like on Project SlipX, for example, it will follow the leader. So if you say you want to trade one contract in the leader, the followers will do the same thing. This one, you have to split it up. You have to divide it equally. So if you want to get in one in each account, you got to do 4 on the main account that you're placing the orders from. So you're like, look, see, I'm placing the orders from 116, but watch, I'll show you 117. See, 117 has the sell order for 3 and the stop for 3. 118, same shit. It gets distributed across all the accounts in the group. So there you go. Now we've problem solved. What up, McLean? Konija. Yo, it's such a basic thing, though. You know, it's funny. Like, my first exposure to copy trading was with TradeDay. So for me, it's just like whatever. It's just like when people say, I don't like trading with Take Profit Trader because they're trailing drawdown. My first exposure to all this prop firm shit was with Apex. So all I knew for months before I tried another prop firm was intraday trailing, which is what Take Profit Trader funded accounts have. You know, so I'm used to this shit. And then when I first learned how to copy trade on Project SlipX, the fucking leader and the follower thing kind of threw me for a loop at first. I'm like, what the fuck's going on here? Because I wasn't sure what was going to happen. So the first time I placed a trade, for a big amount, thinking it was going to distribute it across all 3 accounts for example. Instead, it fucking, like, say I was trading with fucking 3 accounts and I wanted to do 3 contracts per account. I fucking placed the order for 9 and went in. I marketed in with 9 and then all 3 accounts had 9. I was like, oh, fuck. So I had to learn that the hard way. Is that it? Is this all I get? This is it? You fucking, why? Look, it hit this spot 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking times. Is that all I get? Yeah, I like TradeDay. I like TradeDay a lot. You know who else has the leader and follower format? Well Charts is the same way. It does the leader and follower. So if you're copy trading in Well Charts with Apex, and you want to copy trade multiple accounts, it'll follow that same protocol. Also, keep in mind, if you're like, let's say you're done trading for the day and the next day you fire up Well Charts to trade your Apex accounts. If you have any accounts in here and you want to copy trade, you have to set it up again. It won't fucking save it. You have to set it up again. I learned that the hard way a couple of days ago, but now I know. I should have double checked, but I was just like, it's probably, I'm just going to place a trade without double checking shit. You like Project X more? Hey, see, people are different. What up, X? Yo, I haven't seen you in forever also. XX Show? I haven't seen you in forever. What's my stance on Israel? Do I really have to answer that question? I really don't want to answer that question. All I can tell you is the rapper, first of all, you guys know rapper B.O.B., rapper Bob? Let me ask you. No doubt, bro. What do you think my stance is on that? What do you think my stance is on that? Without me having to say it. Yeah, of course I remember you, bro. Of course I remember you. You're not feeling it? Yeah, this shit, I don't know. This thing could fucking rocket up another 5 points. Keith, you good now? Awesome, bro. Awesome. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go get another one of these fucking spin drifts, which are fucking dope. I love them. And this is either going to be back down or it's going to be fucking up further. We'll see. You said to stop the same way you placed the order. NN64, of course. I do remember you. Oh, look, I didn't even have to leave. It fucking did it did. It said, I said it was either going to go up or it was going to come back down. Look at that. It can't get over this level. It can't get over that fucking level. What's gold doing? Look at gold. I'm trading the wrong fucking instrument. It's gold's time to shine. 640. The shit went up fucking 100 fucking ticks in the same time that we were fucking sitting here watching this fucking garbage. 100 ticks with 3 fucking minis is $3,000 to make them hollow. I don't know. Asia was good yesterday. Yeah, Sean, for real, bro. Thanos, what up? What I'll say about that your question is, rapper Bob came out with the craziest fucking set of mixtapes called The Elements in like 2015. He's the guy that has that song Airplanes, Eminem's on the song, Air and Skylar Grey. You know that fucking song. It's total fucking, for radio fucking commercial shit. But rapper B.O.B. don't fuck around. He came out with this mixtape called Elements. Look for it go to like Dat Piff on YouTube. Type in Dat Piff, B.O.B. Elements. It's like fucking 40 tracks, 4 different. It's Earth, Air, Water, and Fire are the names of the fucking albums, the separate tapes, but they're all part of the same theme. And it's all truth music, conspiracy theory type shit. And there's a song called Mercy Me. And it starts off, fucking dope ass song too. It starts off with, I don't care who's listening. I find it kind of sickening. They send billions to Israel, but shit on Flint, Michigan. So take me sharing that bit of information with you as my answer to your question. Isn't that crazy? 8 years ago. It's fucking 10 years ago. Yeah, B.O.B. Fucking that shit is fucking dope. That's a really, that shit was good. I love that shit. I listen to that shit a lot of times. It's the only thing from him that I like. NN64, I am blowing accounts like the early days lately. John Q, what up? Asia, feel you long time. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. I already fucking know. Look at fucking gold. Right to the VWAP. Let's see where gold is. The VWAP. This is the 4-hour. Here's the hourly. Taylor. Yo. Crazy, right? Crazy. I would go through it again. Did you read the book? If you read it, maybe like grab the audio book and listen to it like while you're working out or driving. It'll hit differently. That's the thing about books, like really good books. Like if you read them for a second time or a third time, even different words and different concepts jump out at the pages, or you're just in a different place mentally because you've grown or you just changed, you're evolving. So it just hits differently. That fucking book is a fucking, yeah, I read it and listened to it. I did both. That book, like I read Think and Grow Rich like 3 times at least. And it was the same shit happened to me. But Outwitting the Devil is my favorite fucking book of all time. And I've read a lot of fucking books. What's fucking NQ doing? Did I get stopped out yet? I'm about to be. I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. I can't fucking believe it. Couldn't get over this level. All right, I'm going to get another spin drift. Hang out a second. Dr. Michael Cochini, The War Within. Is that like, oh, that reminds me of another book. I forgot what it's called. It was more of a like a religious, spiritual type book. The War Within. Another good book. If you guys like want to learn The War Within, the World of Warcraft, or a different book? Oh, Coccini. The Meaning of Life in My Journey. Oh, shit. Sounds fucking deep. I'll be right back. Get the fuck up there. In the same fucking amount of time that I was trying to see, that I was waiting for something to happen for me to get into a trade, fucking gold runs up 100 fucking ticks. It might go up higher. It might go up higher. Crazy, yo. Willie C, the gun show stream. I haven't worked out all week. I haven't worked out since last fucking Thursday because I may or may not have broken this finger. I don't think it's broken. I think it's badly sprained. Yeah. Like what Taylor was talking about, this book called Outwitting the Devil from Napoleon Hill. It was like an unreleased fucking manuscript. Fucking crazy book. He's he's using his imagination and having an imaginary conversation with the devil. Or is it imaginary? Fucking a banger of a book. Now, fucking Taylor, if you're still here, like now anytime you find yourself fucking dicking around, you're going to be like, oh, fuck, I'm fucking drifting. I'm drifting. Mikey, 8. I got 8 left. I've broken my thumb before. Can this fucking pop? Or am I sitting here fucking, look at gold. Just keeps going. Look at gold. 640, 107 ticks. That'd be 107, $3,210. And I'm fucking sitting here up 15 dollars. Probably soon to be fucking getting stopped out. In the same amount of time. When did I get in that trade? I've gotten the trade like 10 minutes ago. When did I get in the trade? 824. 820. 817 I got in the trade. 817. At 817, gold was at 662. 80 fucking ticks ago. So I would at least be up 80 ticks. Probably would have gotten out around fucking the VWAP. I'd be up $2,400, but instead I'm sitting here, literally, nothing's happening. I'm probably going to get stopped out. I'm still waiting. I just have this feeling I'm going to get stopped out. No, I'm not chasing gold now. Fuck no. I just wish I was paying more attention to it. I stopped paying attention to it after I drew a Tory Trades trend line. Evan Cortez, Eddie, what up? Options exchange. Yeah? Let's see it. What is this? Top step? Is that what it is? Is it top step? Fuck yeah. Damn, that's fucking huge. Is that a fucking... What? Yo, that reminds me of the fucking MTV Cribs on the Chappelle Show when he had the baby dinosaur egg. Oh shit. That's the most baller shit ever. Remember when he cuts the fucking head off? The egg fucking hatches and he cuts the head off. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me turn on the volume in case I got stopped out. Cribs, egg. Oh man. They're not gonna. Why is it not in here? He fucking cussed the egg off. He cussed the fucking head of the fucking baby T-Rex or whatever. Oh man. Look, remember, look. And then he takes the fucking scissor, the plier, and he cuts the fucking head off. All right, what's going on with this fucking trade? Look. About to get stopped out. I already know I'm going to get stopped out. It couldn't get over this fucking level. What's going to happen is I'm going to get stopped out, and then I'm going to have to leave because I got to leave in like 5 minutes. I'm going to get stopped out, and then I'm going to come back. I'll be gone for a good, what, 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. Actually, I got to put gas in the truck. 15, 20 minutes tops. I'll come back, and this shit will be up fucking 30 points after I get stopped out. The baby dinosaur. Yeah, bro. Confused. What up? Yeah, dude, Eddie. Yeah, I was showing it before. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's gonna come. Better this account. Better these fucking evals than fucking anything else. I got these two PAs. I got these two I got to activate. I got another PA here. Yeah, it's gonna go lower. I got this fucking take profit trader account. It's just a test account. I got these 3 fucking trade day accounts. Oh, Evan Cortez, not on day 4, man. I feel you, bro. Yeah, the book's by Napoleon Hill. I'll drop the link in the chat. Fucking great fucking book. Yeah. Here in my jail cell. There it is. All right, just take me out already. Stop being a fucking cuck. Just do it. There it is. I knew it. Now watch. Just keep an eye on this shit. I'll post a screenshot of the NQ being up fucking 30 points. Damn, I lost. That's all right. What's gold doing? What's gold want to do? I think gold wants to go higher. But I'm not getting in long here. I was looking to see if I could short it. Watch. Look. Bottom ticked. Oh, it fell below this fucking area of support. So next area of support. This is right. These wicks right here are by the 618. I don't know. 517 or yeah, maybe here. 517, 516, which is also the 707. Well, whatever. I got to leave in a couple of minutes anyway. 42 days, bro. 42 days is a long-ass time. I definitely cannot say that. Oh, nice, Coach HID. Yeah, enjoy it. Yeah, Thanos. That was a crazy move down and back up. I'm glad I was still in bed when that shit happened. Because I probably would have fucking fucked something up trying to trade that shit. It dumped so hard and then went right back up. Look at me. Look. Bottom ticked for now. I told you I'm going to have to leave. I'm going to come back and it's going to be right around here or my take profit, which was, where was my take profit? 605. Look. Right back to my entry. Just about. Evan Cortez, correct. You just got to be over the buffer. It's just like look at this. It literally it looked like, what the fuck? I'd be green right now. This shit's going to fucking pump. Look at that. Dude, I hate trading at this time of day. If I would have moved my stop lower, it would have fucking went lower. Let's just be real. Business lens, no. I'll be giving away some accounts. I just gave like 5 accounts away the other day. Not everybody has claimed them. But let's see. When was that? On my birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't even know if everybody claimed them. Travis did. Sanjay Kumar Singh did. Tom Riddle did. I don't know if Stock Cards and Bets did. I don't remember. I got to double check. And they come on my stream all the time. They may have, though. I don't remember. Let's see what a NQ is now. Look at this shit. You can't make this shit up. Watch this shit fucking pump. So fucking annoying. It's so annoying. So annoying. Oh, I got to go. Anyway, guys, I wish I could hang out longer, but I literally got to go get my son. Fallacy. And yeah, Evan Cortez, I think I answered your question. Yeah, it's every day. As long as you're over the buffer. You'll get the money the next day most of the time. Like if you request today, you'll get it tomorrow morning. So like wait on the trade. You might have to wait to trade. But they pay quick. Like I've requested on a Friday from them and got my money on a Sunday. Right into my Rise account. But anyway, oh, what up, Crank? Anyway, I got to bounce. I will fucking, I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow for sure. All right, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Let's finish the week fucking strong. I'll be hanging out in and out of the Discord. Join the Discord. You got to grab any accounts with fucking Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, bulenox, or My Fund the Futures. Use the best code, My Fund the Futures. If you've never had an account with them before, you never traded a single account with them, even if you created an account, you could get an account for 50% off. They have the lowest all-in price if you pass your eval to be funded because there's no activation fee. $38.50 for those core accounts, but 50% off anything. So you could get one of those expert accounts and save 50% off too, any size. With the best code ZERODAYJAY. And then existing users, it's buy one eval, get the next one 25% off, one-time use, blah, 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 to the end of the month. Apex 80% off with $85 lifetime activation fee. Take Profit Trader 40% off, no activation fee. Trade Day 30% off, no activation fee. And bulenox 91% off option 150Ks or bigger with the best fucking code. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out. Sorry my trade sucked, but we all know what's happening with the NQ. It's probably look, I fucking told you. I literally called it. I told you this happens all the time. All the fucking time. I'd be up how many points? And it's higher than this bullshit that I couldn't get above. Look at that. Look at that shit. I got in at 85. It's at 90, 91. It just hit 92. Amazing. Can't make this shit up. But anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out. I'll talk to you guys next time. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All that good shit. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.